So I'm Glenn, I'm the library officer at Saltdean Library. The library's been closed for 2 years. We've been supporting our customers through a ported cabin library and we're now very, very pleased to be in this brand new beautiful library as part of the Lido building in Saltdean. Our offer here, we have a huge range of books from crime to fiction, non-fiction, from teenage section, books in other languages, books for people with dyslexia. We have a fantastic range of children's books. We'll be offering story time for school visits and for children coming to visit us. There'll be a stay and play box for lots of different toys. We really encourage the children to come and stay and the parents to come and enjoy our environment as well. As well as our library offer, we also have an IT suite providing support for people who do not have a computer at home or printer. There's also one of our tables is for people with disabilities, wheelchair users or people who are unable to sit, and we inviting all customers, old and new, to come and see this wonderful library in a beautiful environment and join up.